One of the greatest pains for a human is loneliness, and nothing is more tragic than that. 68-year-old widow Karing Ronghangpi is one such person who is living alone, as she has neither children nor grandchildren to look after her. What comes to your mind as soon as you see this hut? And does it look like home for a normal person? But this is the home of the 68-year-old widow Karing Ronghangpi. She is the wife of late Longsing Teron, a resident of Ronghang village under the Numati and Socheng Thanta constituency, and she is all living alone by herself. Karbi Anglong Live has managed to reach her home and show you the condition under which she is living alone by herself.
Karbi Anglong Live pen ladak eson akenang sot labang sobita Karbi Anglong Live kelang ratuman pacini kangtung mare paklang ponintung ilitum akhailong penangan kisung ke boy alamu ilitum se thanjok plot la pusona ave pinlang lason taksi ilitum ke edhokatum mage piso sodo ahemari do pusame aning ke oi masapsa balam ben same aning ke oi tot su la pusona aning se pa oi ason kidu ke la alam chema thadam pa aning ke oi la puson se pa klang pon hekpon long sidame ahemarita ave achora lok ave asu ave pa akaya munitum hai ko son ilitum mathadam po.
Karing Ronghangpi has no child, and that is the reason behind condition of her life and home, which has no place to cook, and she has been forced to live under this condition the whole year, as there is no one in her life.
And nang no wet si chubuchila hai. Oh, na sumar nang su ke. Avi le hai. Oh, nang no wet si chubuchira la hai. Oh, ande sang han ke kona napasi nang pok chipang ring bom lo.
Hala re kene nang pan pichom hajira le hai.
Hajira pine dun po hai. Okay, han pine chojor.
Chujaran bom masih chukleman bom.
Kona na hithi lo dam ke.
Dagang pen berkhawal.
Parakhwal lo.
Ya long dan.
Men tutu lo la han churi dam ke long ke.
Long han churi dam.
Oh, pini son churi dam po ke penap chojor po pena ke huni bar ke. Oh, ande nang ke su kyu ne te ko son lo nang chela na ke nang jong si nang so det pulute.
Non la ko ke so de la si kidun thek bom chalo.
Oh. Nang su dolang ma be nang su.
Ni so lo.
Te nang ok pini ko son lo chu ke.
Pan no ke kon chule ga kon chun bom lo.
Oh, na ko ke ben si choren mo. Oh, nang su e hong da lo.
Due to extreme poverty and no other source, Karing Ronghangpi has been surviving through sale of wild vegetables at Parakhwa market. These wild vegetables and herbs are found in distant hills and forests where she had to go on foot.
Oh, non anda nang la na ningan nang su sepin lang.
Sudunde.
Bar nam nang phanang ke rai lo.
Na son ne pine.
Oh. Ande la kali tang long sing la phan ke nasi chitong lo.
Ni ma.
Oh.
Ha sang parang du na. Kini dun thap si bang ta.
Kada si chen se do del hai. Ande nang school berenda le dun de.
Dunde ni ke dun be kana dunde.
ABCD thek mare khai.
Thek ya thek lo.
Oh.
Ki thek si dap lo.
La ke ande ko piam mek lo la hai thek chi le lo.
Ni lo.
After witnessing her solitary life and heartbreaking condition, Karbi Anglong Live correspondent Bikram Teron provided a small help to the widow. And Karbi Anglong Live would like to urge upon the elected representative of Socheng Thanta and Numati constituency to sincerely take initiative by providing a small home and financial assistance or old age pension towards easing her pains and hardships. With Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live.